Hi everyone, I got the green shirt on again today. You know what that means? Deals. Welcome to another edition of the Techie Preppers Almost Daily Deals. As always with these, I put the direct links to the products below. The price may or may not reflect properly depending on what time you buy, but at the time of this video, all the prices are valid. Some of them, like the Lowe's deals and the Walmart deals, you may have to go in the store to get them. They may be available online, but you might have to actually go out and do some legwork and go to the store to find them. So with all that being said, good luck finding the deals. And if you find value in my videos, please like, subscribe, and most importantly, share them with people who might get some use out of them. Very quickly, I just wanted to thank everybody for hanging in there with me during my COVID. I actually have two other videos that I've been working on. I haven't been able to finish since I'm isolated. And one is water harvesting, and the other is on shortwave radio. So my channel is not going to this format all the time, but I wanted to be able to interact with everybody and try to save you some money at the same time. Give myself something to do, keep me busy during my isolation. So thank you for hanging in there with me, and let's get to it. The first item is a set of 5 Carabiners that are on clearance at Lowe's. Now, I use these all around the house to hold down tarps, to hang things from my backpack and fasten things to my backpack loops. There's a lot of different uses for these, and right now they're on clearance for $1.74 for the 5-pack at Lowe's. I'm not sure if this item is available online still. Generally, it's on there at the very beginning, but then it'll say not available online, so you have to go into the store. I did check the stores around me, and there's a lot of them. They all have 60, 70 in stock, so chances are they probably have them near you, but you'll have to call up or do some legwork and go to the store probably to get the deal. Now, the second item is a USB-C/A 65-watt PD wall charger. You can use these to charge phones very, very fast, or charge battery packs, solar generators, that type of thing. Anytime you get these under 20 bucks, it's a really good deal. And right now these are $15.99. Anytime they go under 20 bucks, I usually buy them, but I have like 3 or 4 of them now. That's all I need, but I wanted to pass the value on to you. So good luck grabbing those if you can. The next item, everybody watching my channel should be familiar with these. It's a Sawyer mini water filter. Now these are great for hiking, traveling on vacation, where you may need to filter. You go to a different country and they have different critters in the water, and but they have like tap water out of the sink in the hotel or something. And if you wanted to just pass that through these, it's a pretty good idea. Normally they're $24.95. Now they're on sale for $20.74. Now you can get the same price through Walmart in store. But, if you get it through Amazon, then you get free shipping and you get to save some gas. So that's another little bit of extra savings to kick in right there. So if you're interested, not a bad deal. The next item are night vision goggles. Now these basically use the same technology as, Wise cams, Blink, anything like that. It's infrared technology with infrared lamps. But this allows you to actually, carry it around. It's mobile. It uses a battery and a SD card, and it also captures photo and video. So normally it's $229. It's now on sale for $115.98, and a good price for these is usually about $130 to $140 when they're on sale. So this is a really good deal. The next item I have, everybody should have these around the house. If you don't, then this might be a deal for you, and that's a first aid kit. This particular one is a 228 piece, comes in a waterproof case. It's a basic first aid kit, right? So something that you want to have in your car, the boat, your office, your house, obviously, or send it off to a kid to have in their dorm room, throw away at college, or they're a first-time home buyer in a first apartment or something. It's always nice to have a basic first aid kit around. Normally this is $32.95. It's now on sale for $23.80. And there's a coupon that takes it down to $18.80 with a $5 coupon. So that's it's a pretty big kit, 228 piece for that price. So that's a pretty good deal. And like I said, everybody should have one of those, regardless of who you are or where you live. The next item that I have is a 4-pack of LED lanterns. Now these are nice. They run on AA batteries. I have actually a bunch of these. These are my main source of light during power outages after hurricanes and stuff. Now, you can use them for camping. I've used them for that as well. So this is a 4-pack, and for the 4-pack, they're under $6 a piece. They're normally $29.99, and now they're $23.79. So it's a good deal. And like I said, I place these in each room of the house after a hurricane or when we have a power outage, and they supply enough light to keep everybody happy. So if you don't have a light source for a power outage, this is a pretty good way to go. The next item I have is a Maracniv Companion fixed blade outdoor knife. If you've never heard of these are highly regarded by people who are into knives, I guess you could say. I don't know what the exact term for them is, but they're budget knives with a great reputation. They have awesome steel, stainless steel blades. People rave about them, and I can see why. It is a fixed blade knife, and I keep it in my garage, and I use it around the house when I need it. I also have one in my backpack that hasn't seen the light of day in a long time, thankfully. Now, these generally go for $22 to $23 at the high end, but this is another one of those items where if you pick the right color, you can save yourself about $5. So the navy blue one right now is on sale for $17.99. You can read the reviews for yourself. They're, like I said, they're highly regarded, and this is a great deal for $18. It's a great knife. The next item I have is Augustin Farms Creamy Chicken Rice. Now, there's nothing really to say about this. If you go to the link or you look at the picture, you can see what it is. It's emergency food, right? So if you don't have any, or this, catches your eye and you'd like to have some, it's good for 20 to 25 years, depending on how you store it. And it's emergency calories. So right now, being it's $15.26, it's a pretty good deal. And if you don't have any emergency food and you wanted to get some, this is a good opportunity. The next item I want to show you is Queen Air Mattress with a built-in pump. Now, I have had many Air mattresses over the years. I've used a bunch because of the kids, when they have friends over and that type of thing. You break out the Air mattresses, you put them all in a room, and you let them go crazy, right? But this is a good opportunity to get a decent mattress at a decent price. And this has a built-in pump, and it's queen size. It actually has a little built-in pillow, I guess you would call it. And it's really nice. And another use for these is to put them in when the hurricane comes through and we lose power, or we lose power for a lengthy period of time. I have one room that I air condition with a mobile solar system that I built, and everybody gathers in there, sleeps in there, and that type of thing. So it's good to have extra air mattresses around for company or emergency situations. Normally this one is $74.99. It's now on sale for $59.99. And like I said, it's got a pump built in, so you don't need an extra pump to blow it up. The next item I have is a solar shower bag. It's 5 gallons, 20 liters, and it's a camping shower bag, right? You fill it up with water, you hang it up, and you let the sun heat it up. And it's got a removable hose, an on-off switchable shower head. It's good to keep your hygiene up in emergency situations, and this is also good for camping, Nobody likes to wake up funky and go through the whole day like that, so even if you get a quick rinse in, it's better than nothing, right? So normally it's $25.98. It's on sale for $21.99, and there's an 8% off coupon, which makes it about $20. That's a pretty good deal for a solar shower like that. So jump on it if you're interested. The last item that I have is a Walmart item, and it's on rollback. It's a Bushnell 1000 lumen magnetic area light. So 1000 lumens is pretty bright. That's a lot of light for an area light. That'll light up a room pretty well. It's got a magnet on the back, so you could actually set it somewhere flat and let it illuminate the room on its own. And being that it's magnetic, obviously you can put it on the underside of a hood of a car or any other use where you could use the magnetic feature. That's all the deals that I have for today. Like I said, they may or may not last at the prices, or the inventory may or may not be there by the time you get to them, so you might need to hurry up and jump on them. Good luck, and I hope you save some money. Thanks.